If you're a content creator like me and you have trouble editing your videos for TikTok, Instagram, or things like that, yo, stay tuned and let's get into the video because I'm gonna show you how to do it the easy way. Let me introduce you to a Streamladder. It's a browser source that you can use to edit your videos. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You can either get them from Twitch or your local file. I got mine from the local file. Next thing you want to do is choose the video you're gonna edit, then hit open. Next thing you got to do is press continue right here in the bottom. It's gonna give you a couple free options, which is full screen, blur, or split screen. I'm gonna go with split screen because I do have a camera, but if you're gonna do for Instagram or something, I will recommend the blur one. Next thing you want to do is highlight your camera. Next thing you want to do is just center your gameplay and then hit accept, and it's gonna look something like this. Next thing you want to do is just finish. It's gonna finish transcoding, and then once you finish transcoding, next thing you want to do is just download it. And don't forget, if this video was helpful, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, the follow button, the comment below, and share. Until then, more tips, Dream on from Twitch.